What many South Africans witnessed today was not just another viral update, but a powerful moment of collective healing. The woman known as the Lady in Red, who captured national attention after the tragic Vaal accident, has finally spoken about her daughter Buhlera Debe.
To the house at large, I'm standing here today. I don't know where the strength comes from, because on Monday, it's a situation I cannot even express. When I opened my TikTok, I was called the Lady in Red. It really broke my heart to see that people, when we are crying, people are creating content. But in short, I would like to just give you this verse from Isaiah 43 verse 2. It says, "When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep you over. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. The flames will not set you ablaze." This is God telling us that in every situation that you are going through, I will be with you. I am saying this because Buhle was a prayer warrior. She prayed a prayer that will change situations. As young as she was able to motivate us as old people. So in short, I would like to say, Lala ngoxolo Mashwabade, you will be missed dearly. Yabong.
Her words have resonated far beyond social media. After days of public concern and unanswered questions, seeing her stand and speak brought a sense of relief to a nation that had been praying for her strength. Her message shifted the focus from pain to purpose, showing how faith in God can bring calm even when life feels unbearable heavy. In a time where tragedy often turns into online noise, her quiet strength reminded us of the importance of compassion, prayer, and unity. This moment has now become a shared reminder that behind every trending story is a real family, real loss, and real faith holding them together. And as a country, many continue to lift the Radebe family up in prayer.